Welcome to the front of new Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's unlock our SIM card and then we should open the settings application. After that, scroll down to the security section and scroll a little bit more down. You'll see here SIM card lock. Now just to remove SIM pin from our device SIM card, you should click here once on the switcher and then confirm your enter your pin code. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. We just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.